Hey everyone, if you've ever experienced the frustration of a delayed flight during a layover, you might not realize that you could be entitled to compensation. Today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can claim compensation for flight delays, specifically during layovers. The process might seem complicated, but I'll simplify it for you step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly what to do to get the compensation you deserve. So, let's dive right into it. When your connecting flight is delayed or canceled, it can cause major headaches. But here's the good news: according to regulations in many regions like the EU, airlines are obligated to compensate you if your flight delay meets specific conditions. To make sure you know when you're eligible, you must pay attention to factors such as the delay length and whether it's the airline's fault, like a technical issue or staff shortage. First, check the total length of the delay. If your connecting flight arrives at the final destination 3 or more hours late, you could qualify for compensation. Keep in mind that the cause of the delay matters. Bad weather or extraordinary circumstances might affect your claim eligibility. Now, instead of struggling through the legal jargon, there's a simple way to get your compensation fast. I recommend using a reliable service that will handle the claim for you, making the entire process seamless. Just follow the link in the description, where you can check if you qualify for compensation within minutes. Use their platform to submit your claim and let them do the heavy lifting. It's fast, easy, and stress-free. Remember, you only have a limited time to claim, so it's important to act quickly. Once you've gathered your flight details, don't waste any more time. Head over to the link, check your eligibility, and start your compensation claim now. If this video helped, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and stay tuned for more helpful travel tips.